Yesterday we gathered our research for our Kentucky Symbols project. So today we are going to begin working on creating the PowerPoint, or in this case, the Google Slide version of that. So there is a link by this video to take you to my drive. We were in here when we did our Google Docs. So we're going to click the little plus sign that says new, but we're not doing Google Docs this time. We're going to go to the yellow Google Slides. Once that comes up, you're going to see your title slide. So our title slide is where you're going to put the name of your presentation. So Kentucky Symbols. And I'm just abbreviating Kentucky. If you want to spell it out, that's fine. And then the subtitle, that's going to be our name because this is our presentation. Now over here on the side, you see themes. This is like the background. So you have some choices here. So if you want to go on and pick which theme you want, we'll get that set. So I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to click the X just to get rid of that. If I choose to not pick that right now, or later I decide that I want to change that, I can always do that right here where it says, where it says theme, that pops back up. So I can change that if I want to later on, or I can just make my slides and then pick my theme later. So now that I have my title slide, I want to add more slides to put my information on. So I see a little plus sign right here. If I click that plus sign, it adds this slide. If I need a different type of slide, I can click the little drop down arrow and I can pick which type of slide that I want. In this case, I'm going to pick the title and 2 column ones. So now that has that slide in there. If I have a slide I don't want, I can always delete it. I can click on it and I can hit delete on my keyboard, or I can right click, I can hit delete. There's several ways of getting rid of it. So now I want the state bird. So I'm going to make my state bird slide by giving it a title, adding in the information. So cardinal bird. And then later on I'm going to add a picture, but we're going to have another video on how to do that. So now I want to come up, I want to make another slide. This one's going to be my state mineral. And I'm going to keep adding those slides until I have all of my information.